Hi and welcome back to my channel RegoTech Pro. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do so and click the bell so that you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Today I'm going to review the Velop Linksys Velop, which I have just right here behind me. I have just set up one of the nodes so you can see more or less the size of it. It is a nice product. I'll just get it for you. See, it is basically a plastic shell. It's very nice. If you can just take a look at it in here. Oh yeah, it's a little bit dark though. But you can see in here that it has two LAN ports and has the DC input and turn on and off, and then it has the reset button. Well, to be honest, it is working pretty well, and it is a nice product. It has parental controls. You can prioritize the devices that you have. So if some user is using a lot of bandwidth, you can actually take your own device and then prioritize it before him so that you'll get more speed. And you can set it up as a Wi-Fi access point or a router. If you set it up as a router, you will have the Velop giving out the IP addresses. And if you set it up as a bridge, it will just pass through the traffic to the router that you already have in your system. I have set it up as a bridge because I already have a managed switch, or well, the fiber optics modem that we have, or it actually gives out the IP addresses as it is now. So I didn't need that, and that way I can have my whole office and everything else on the same network. That way it will give out the same IP addresses to all the devices. Also, as I said, you have a parental control where you can actually give like some sort of or set some sort of restrictions for whoever you want. And then you also have guest access. So if you have like some guests that come and visit you, then you can set that guest access and then just give them a default code and a password, and then they will be able to connect to your network, and they will be separated from your actual network, so you don't have to worry about them being able to get into your network, which is really nice. Another thing that I really like about the Velop network is that it's created with what you call a MIMO technology. The MIMO technology gives the ability to connect each node to one another. So if you have 3 nodes, as I have in my case, and you place them so that they can reach each other, they will connect to one another and give a lot greater speed. So that's what you either call a partial mesh or a complete mesh. And not a complete mess, but mesh. So if you have a fully integrated mesh, each node will connect to each node. So you will have the 3 nodes connecting to one another. If you have a partial mesh, you'll have 2 nodes connecting to one another, and then you'll probably have one which is not connected to which is just connected to one of them. So sort of acting like a bridge. One thing that you can do with this Velop system is that you can put in 2 network RJ45 cables. So you can put in 2 Ethernet cables and connect external devices to either to these nodes. So you can connect 2 devices. You could also add a switch on the end of one of the nodes, and then you could connect more items to that specific node. In my case, sometimes I need to move around my Wi-Fi, or if there is a certain spot where I had not anticipated, then I'll just take my node, move it to somewhere else, and then I will basically just instantly have Wi-Fi in that area which I had not thought of in the beginning. So it's very easy to move it around and to make it to work. Besides that, it is really easy to use. You have a Linksys application on your mobile phone, and then you can do all kinds of things in there. You can, as I said, prioritize. You can set a specific DHCP address if you use it as a router, or you can block access. You can do a lot of stuff in that application that you get on your smartphone. Besides that, I like that it is AC6600, so this means that it can go up to really high speeds. I'm just going to take my phone here for a second, and then I'll do a speed test. This particular is not connected right now, but I will do that. Now I've connected it to the electricity, and as you can see right now, it is just well, it's just sort of blue, if you can see this. Let me just, 1 second, see if I can get a little bit closer to this. Yeah, you can probably see it now. All right, anyways, now it's like purple, blinking purple. When it is ready, which it will be in just a moment, I will do a speed test on my phone here. Right now I'm actually connected to the same, but just in another room. I have just looked at my phone here, and it is not connected to more than one. In this case it is connected to the node that I have in the other room here. Okay, now it is blue and I can do my speed test. I'm going to try to do it on my mobile phone here. Just a second, I'll just disconnect it and connect it again to be sure that it is connected to the nearest one. So it is connected now, and I'll just hit the go button. Here it is running now, and it is doing at least 120. 110, sorry. And for the upload speed, it is running at 110 as well. I do have slightly faster internet here, though, but I would say that it is actually doing a pretty good job. That was it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments, and then I will get back to you as soon as I can. I will be looking at the comments, and I really do appreciate all your support, and have a nice day.